It is 7th of October and it is time to take a look what is going on with the Bitcoin price. In my previous video idea I explained that before we will break down the level of $28,000 as our local resistance. This is the level of previous local highs that we had in August 2023. We would need to have really strong Bitcoin and we would need to be strong enough to break down this level. And also I predicted some kind of the consolidation for Bitcoin from the level of $27,000 to the level of 28 approximately. We still have Bitcoin being consolidated in this range. We had the local rising for Bitcoin, as you're able to see. However, during this week, we still did not break down the level of $28,000. We did not have huge volumes or huge rising candles for Bitcoin, so at this point, we still expect from Bitcoin to be consolidated. I do not recommend to open any trades currently in case your trading strategy doesn't show you to open it, because following trading strategy is the key principle to make money on trading. In case you would like to find out more about what trading strategies we use for our trades, I recommend you to check description under this video idea. You can write to one of our sales management expert, or you can check the link with the Discord. You would be able to see results of members of our community who already made their profits with trading according to our trading strategy and our indicators. And you would be able to find out how you could get a free trial access to our indicators. You could test it, you could see how it works, and you could make a decision on using them for your trades. So at this point, check the links in the description to find out more about our trading indicators and our trading strategy. Telling about local situation for Bitcoin, let's take a look at 4 hours chart. You can see that long-term moving average is under short-term moving average, which is a bullish signal for sure. Also, we had relative strength index higher than the level of 50, which is also bullish signal. Also, you were able to see this one very interesting candle. You can see that the shadow for this candle is really huge, and the price tried to drop and go under the short-term moving average. However, you can see that the price was closed higher, and this is also the bullish signal case. That means that there was no chance for the price to drop, as the Bitcoin and the price was rising during this one candle. So at this point, we still can see that the price is trying to become closer and closer to the level of $28,000. Still, the breaking down of this level was not that successful, because you can see that we had this one really huge rising candle. However, it would be better for long-term traders who expected from Bitcoin to rise to see the same huge rising candle on breaking down of this level, and for sure it would be better not to be closed lower than this level again. That would mean that we are strong enough, and the next level for Bitcoin rising would be the level of $31,000. At this point, let's see what happened in the future. Let's also take a look at the results of our trades during September and results of using our indicators. We had the signal on our indicator Pumpit for daily chart. We had the signal to buy Bitcoin on 14th of September, and we bought Bitcoin. We holded our position, and in the final end we had profit. Despite it was the small profit, I still can say that having profit is much better than having a loss. So my congratulations to everyone who fixed their profits for more than 0.1%. At the same time, one day later, we had another trade on 26th of September. We bought Bitcoin according to the indicator Pumpit signal and fixed Bitcoin rising for more than 2.5% of rising. We used leverage X2, so that is why we did not have the profit at the level of 2.5%. We had the profit for 5%. For example, you had the trade for $1,000, you could make more than $50 on this one trade. So at this point, September was profitable for us, and our indicator Pumpit gave us an opportunity to make more than 5% of profit, which I think is a good result for all of us. And currently we still can see the active trade according to the indicator Pumpit. We opened the trade on 2nd of October and we still hold our position. Current result is not that beautiful or not that amazing, as we expected before. However, still we do not have any losses, we do not have any profits, we still expect from Bitcoin to rise, and I hope that Bitcoin will be strong enough to break down the level of $28,000 in case we will have this one rising candle, for example, for more than 6%. That would mean that we opened our trade on time and we would make more than 12% of profit, which I think is good. Our indicators HPC and our indicator Moon do not show us any signal to buy Bitcoin. At this point, we still expect from these indicators to show us the signal to buy Bitcoin, for example, as we had in January 2023, when we catch Bitcoin rising for more than 61% and made profit more than 120%. Let me know what you think about Bitcoin prospectus. Let me know what you think if Bitcoin will be strong enough to break down the level of $28,000 in the short-term perspectives. As usually, it was wealth management. Wish you to have only profitable trades and see you in the next video.